Number 5. So first thing, let's find the 0. By the way, we always want to factor out at the very start, but this one's already factored out. Top and bottom's already factored out. So we're going to find the 0 by taking the numerator, which is 5x plus 2, and setting that equal to 0. 5x plus 2 equals 0. Subtract 2, we get 5x equals negative 2. Divide by 5, and x equals negative 2/5, which means my 0 or my x-intercept is right, negative 2/5 comma 0. So that is about right here. Alright, the horizontal asymptote is y equals 5. Wow. Dang it, come on. Come on. These things just keep floating around. Horizontal asymptote is y equals 5, which is up here. There we go. So next, vertical asymptote, we take the denominator, the factor in the denominator, and set it equal to 0. That's the x plus 1. So what is my vertical asymptote? How do you write it? X equals negative 1. Right, if you write negative 1, you're losing points because that's not a line. X equals negative 1 is a line. So here it is, because now I can actually see what my curve is going to look like. Already I have enough information for that curve. Are there any holes on this graph? No, why not? Nothing's canceling out in the fraction. Right, the y-intercept, all I have to do is plug in zeros for the x's. So if I plug in 0, I'm going to have 0 plus 2 over 0 plus 1, which is 2. So the y-intercept is 0, comma 2, right? So I'm going to graph that as well. 0, comma 2 is right here. Now I'm having a better idea of what that curve is going to look like. And lastly, the domain is going to be x is not equal to negative 1. So now if I follow these two, go through both of these points and follow my asymptotes, there's one of my curves. And where should my other curve be going?
The
opposite direction around the asymptote. How did you know that?
Because it has a negative exponent.
A negative exponent?
Negative odd.
An odd exponent, right. Odd means opposite. So that means this side of the asymptote, of the vertical asymptote, is going down. So on the other side it should be going up. So I draw an up arrow and then I follow the asymptotes and it has to curve off. And there it is.